أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. I am not belongs to any political party or any religious party. I am just simple Muslim and I do not collect funds from anyone. We run expenses from our own sources and business. I pray to Allah, please make useless whole world weapons, because if there are no weapons, then all wars will get finished. Evil power do not allow peaceful life to humans. Check where your payments are in use, where your governments, your payments, your taxes, where they are using. Whole world defense budget must use for humans food, education, medical and food, shelter and other betterment purposes. There is no jihad as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. Atomic bombs kills everyone, no matter Islamic or non-Islamic. I hope you understand what I mean, because if there the world war, if you see world wars, so you can see bombs do not uh, identify that bomb is going to kill children or bomb is going to kill army person. Bomb kill everyone, and you can see in Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, atomic bombs when Americans used, then they killed a lot of peoples in Hiroshima, in Nagasaki, including children's, women's, everything they have finished. So first of all, please check why we need these kind of weapons, why we need atomic bombs, and why we need these kind of weapons. Why? These are the evil powers who force to people to fight with each other. Otherwise, why other normal people do not need atomic bombs and these kind of things? Normal peoples in every country. I lived in UK and many other countries. Normal peoples, they love to work with each other. So these are the evil powers. These are bad peoples who force two peoples to fight with each other. They did this kind of incidents that we normal peoples cannot live peacefully. So I would request to all leaders of the countries and peoples, please stop these kind of things and finish these kind of weapons in the world, because we don't need these kind of weapons. We want to live peacefully. Please help me to promote my message to save lives, because if we don't have for example, if we don't have weapons in whole world, I pray to Allah, please finish make useless weapons of the whole world. So